Hello everyone, this is demo of our project Lantra. So today DAOs govern billions of dollars, but their voting systems are fundamentally broken. Every vote is public on chain, which means anyone can see how you voted. This leads to whale pressure, vote buying, and people staying silent instead of voting honestly. In short, DAOs are decentralized in infrastructure, but centralized in influence. That led us to a simple question. What if DAO voting worked more like real world election with privacy, with anonymity, but still with verifiability? So this is what we built. Lantra is a privacy-preserving identity and DAO voting system powered by anonymous self-credential and UTSSO cryptography based on a 2025 research breakthrough. Instead of relying on wallets as identity or trusting a centralized login provider, Lantra lets users generate their own identity locally and prove they belong to a valid voter set without revealing who they are and without exposing their wallet address. I'll create identity. What happening is that browser generates a semaphore identity along with the additional secret value. These secrets never leave the device. From that identity, we derive commitments, and only those commitments are registered on chain. My identity is created and registered. Now I will log in. And the register with SP first time means that the front end fetches full anonymity set from the registry contract, builds a Merkle group and generates a ZK proof showing that my identity is a member of that group. At the same time, Lantra derives the site specific pseudonym. And about the subsequent visits login, the user does not need to regenerate a full proof every time here. And instead, Lanta requests a challenge from backend, and the user signs it using derived child credential tied to the specific service. In other words, I can prove I am the same valid user for this app without revealing my master identity. So I'll register with SP now. Can access the DAO voting site, and here the proposals are listed. So I'll try voting. So when I cast a vote, the front end again generates a ZK proof. This proof shows two things. That first, I belong to a registered voter set, and also I have not voted on this proposal, which is enforced using a nullifier, which is unique per proposal. So the system prevents double voting, and the backend verifies the proof and the nullifier and relays the vote to the DAO voting contract. And you can see my vote is recorded here, and we can verify that on chain also.